Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is June mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fill in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio. Scorpio, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Scorpio, what a sign. Wow. Seven of Cups, Three of Wands, and Eight of Pentacles, and Seven of Swords under the deck. I think there are some trust issues between you and your person, guys, Scorpio, and you are very committed to this relationship. You're always there for your person, no matter what. At the same time, you are concentrating on your career. You're really working hard to achieve your goals, and you're still waiting on something. You are in waiting mode, and you are confused. You are in some confusion. Yes, regarding this relationship or regarding something, you are in some confusion, and you are waiting on something or someone. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Knight of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and Nine of Cups. There are some arguments, there are some fightings between you and your person. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. For some third party also involved in this connection. Your person is in very slow moving, and you are wishing for this connection. You want commitment, you want marriage, you wished for that, you wished for marriage, but it was not happened in past. I think there are some arguments, disturbances between you and your person. Then present, High Priestess, Six of Cups, and Three of Cups. So you started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. Maybe you're trying to manifest this person again into your life. You keep thinking on them. You're still waiting on them. You're thinking about them a lot. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And Three of Cups is here. You want reconciliation. Maybe you are waiting for reconciliation. Then future, King of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and the Hermit. Someone is coming to offer new beginnings, and that person he really loves you, because King of Cups with Ace of Pentacles. For some it could be a new person, for some it could be a past person, depending on your situation, but someone is coming to offer marriage or to offer commitment. But you are spiritually awakening, you are doing meditation to heal yourself, you are doing, there is a major transformation you will growing through in near future, you will go through in near future. But there is someone is coming, and this person really love you. For some, you are getting new opportunities in your career, and the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. So under the deck, Seven of Wands, the Lovers, and Ace of Wands. Wow, this person is very passionate about you. Yeah, they do love you. There is love between both of you. And Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you. So let's see their feelings and intentions. Scorpio, their feelings and intentions. For some, the woman in this connection could be pregnant or having kids. Maybe kids also involved in this connection. For some, it was one type of ending between you and your person. Maybe you are in no contact. Even though you are in relationship, this is on and off connection. But your person want rebirth in this connection if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take it to next level. And they're waiting for divine timing. Yes. Wheel of Fortune. Page of Cups, the Empress and Knight of Wands. Yeah, your person thinking about to take action, and they hurt you in past. Now they want to say apology to you because lot of arguments, lot of discussions had happened between you and your person. Now they want to say apology. So let's see their intentions. King of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, this time they are very serious about you, Scorpio. Maybe in past they treated you as an option or they ignored you, but now they really thinking about you. They are very serious about you. Yeah, trust issues. Definitely in past they treated you as an option, they ignored you. Now they have regrets. Now they wanna come back to you. But again they are in slow moving energy. But this time they are very serious about you because King of Pentacles, stability, and King of Cups, they want to offer their cup of love to you. But if really third party situation is involved in this connection, you know about that clearly, then there is no point to wait. Okay guys, because this is general reading, not for, every situation is not suitable for everyone, so be careful because Seven of Swords is very very sneaky energy. That's why maybe your person is more attracted to you physically. That could be also the one of the case, but they're coming back. It's up to you. They wanna come back with an apology. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. The Fool. Wow. With Six of Pentacles. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you. Maybe they walked away from this connection in past. Now they have regrets and they're thinking about commitment with you. Yeah. In past, there is no equal give and take. There is no collaboration between you and your person. But now they want to offer equal give and take. Yeah, in past they ignored you. And it is a tower moment for you, maybe the separation. And you're concentrating on your career and you are getting financial stability. Scorpio, you are guarded up right now. After the tower moment, you started focusing on your career. Then you are not opening up emotionally to anybody, but there is some communication is coming. For some, you both have age differences also. So let's see the mutual. Wow, lot of passion guys between both of you. New beginnings, and maybe for some I'm seeing ego problem. Maybe one person have ego problems also, but ego is there at the same time passion is also there. And Four of Wands, for some you both have twin flame connection, and Ace of Swords. Truth coming out, communication and clarity is coming. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. So if you let them in, definitely there will be new beginnings between you and your person. Decision is in your hands, Scorpio. Yeah, they wanna come back. But again, they are in slow moving energy. You are the only one for me. I have too much going on my life. All I want is you. Twin flames. I'm serious about you and decision time. So the messages are, you are the only one for me. I have too much going on my life. All I want is you. Twin flames. I'm serious about you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Okay. The energy is gaining momentum. Yes, if you are not seeing any movement from your person's side, especially if you are in separation, yeah, the energy is gaining momentum. First it will be in 3D, then it is in physical form. Definitely there is energy is gaining momentum. And the answers you need are coming full moon in Gemini energy. And for your questions, the answers are coming. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.